I still can't believe we managed to find this spot. It's perfect.
I know, right? And this tea tastes even better out here.
Hello, I am Adam.
Hi, I am Sarah.
Welcome to English Shadowcast.
Here, you will learn English easily and in a fun way.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our second episode. I am so happy to see you again. Today, Sarah and I are leaving the house. We are going somewhere green, quiet, and very beautiful.
Yes! Hello, everyone. I am so excited for today. I love being outside. Today, our topic is a day at the park.
The park is the best place to relax. The sky is blue, the trees are tall, and the grass is very green. Sarah, when was the last time you went to the park?
I went last Sunday. It was a perfect day. But Adam, you know me. I cannot go to the park without one important thing: food.
I know you very well, Sarah. You love a good picnic. Listeners, a picnic is when you take food in a bag and eat it outside on the grass.
Exactly. I spent 2 hours last Sunday making beautiful sandwiches. I had apples, cookies, and cold juice. I put everything in a nice picnic basket.
That sounds like a great plan. But wait, something always happens to you, Sarah. Did something go wrong with the food?
No, the food was perfect. But when I arrived at the park, I realized I forgot the most important thing.
What was it? The napkins? The spoons?
No, I forgot the picnic blanket.
No way! So you had no place to sit?
Well, I had to sit directly on the grass, but the grass was wet from the rain the night before.
Oh no, so your pants were wet?
Yes, I had a big wet circle on my pants. I looked like I sat in a big bowl of water. People were walking past me and laughing. I was so embarrassed.
That is a classic Sarah story. Listeners, remember, always check for your blanket before you leave. It is very important for a dry picnic.
And I have a tip for you. If you forget your blanket, you can use a big plastic bag or even a jacket. But sitting on wet grass is a very bad idea.
Anyway, after Sarah dried her pants, we started looking around. The park was very busy. Sarah, what do you usually see when you walk in the park?
I see a lot of people jogging. Jogging is running, but very slowly. There was a man in a bright yellow shirt jogging past me. He looked very tired. He was breathing like this.
I don't like jogging. It is too much work. I prefer to sit and watch. Look at those children over there. They are flying a kite.
Oh, I love kites. That one is very high in the sky. It is shaped like a big red dragon. It looks so free up there.
Flying a kite is not easy. One time I tried to fly a kite, but there was no wind. I had to run very fast to make the kite go up.
So you were jogging after all.
Haha, yes, I was jogging with a kite. People were looking at me and thinking, what is this crazy man doing?
Well, look at the group of people under the big oak tree. They are doing yoga.
Oh, they look so calm and peaceful. They are stretching their arms up to the sky.
I tried yoga in the park once. It was a disaster. I tried to stand on one leg, but I lost my balance and fell into a bush.
No way. Did anyone see you?
Yes, a group of ducks saw me and started making loud noises. I think they were laughing at me. Quack, quack, quack.
Haha, even the birds are funny in the park. It's a great place to see people doing different things, reading, sleeping, or just talking with friends.
Sarah, look at the playground over there. It is full of children.
I love playgrounds. They make me feel like a child again. Look at the swings. I want to go on the swings.
Sarah, stay here. You are an adult. Let the children play.
But Adam, you are never too old to fly. I love the feeling of the wind in my hair. Whee!
Okay, but I prefer the bench. A bench is a long chair made of wood. I like to sit on a bench and read my book.
You are like an old man, Adam. Look at the children on the slide. They are sliding down so fast.
It looks fun, but look, there is a puppy on the grass. He is so small and cute.
Oh, he is a golden puppy. He is walking on a leash.
Wait, Sarah, the puppy is not walking. He is running very fast, and he is pulling his owner.
Oh no, the man is running behind the puppy. He is shouting, "Slow down, Rex, slow down."
Rex is very strong. He is pulling the man toward the lake.
Puppies can be very naughty sometimes. Naughty means a little bit bad, but in a cute or funny way.
But the park is also very big. One time, I got lost.
How do you get lost in a park, Adam?
I was walking and looking at the trees. I turned left, then right, then left again. Suddenly, I didn't know where the exit was.
Did you ask for help?
I was too embarrassed. I walked for 1 hour until I saw the same big oak tree again. I was walking in a circle.
You're not a good explorer, Adam. Next time, use a map. Adam, let's talk about the animals. Do you think they are friendly?
Usually, yes, especially the squirrels. They have big, fluffy tails, and they are very fast.
Well, I have a squirrel story for you. It happened last summer.
Is this another story where you lose your food?
Yes. I was sitting on a bench, eating a big piece of chocolate cake. It was my favorite cake.
I love chocolate cake. Please continue.
A small squirrel came very close to me. He looked at me with his big black eyes. He looked so hungry. I thought, "Oh, little squirrel, do you want a small piece of my cake?"
Did you give it to him?
I was looking for a napkin in my bag. I didn't look at my cake for just 2 seconds. When I looked back, the cake was gone.
What? Where did it go?
I looked up at the tree. The squirrel was sitting on a branch with my whole piece of cake in his mouth.
He was a thief. A thief is someone who steals things.
He was a professional thief. He was eating my cake and looking at me. I think he was saying, "Thank you, Sarah. It's delicious."
That is the funniest thing I heard today.
It wasn't funny. I was still hungry, so I went to buy an ice cream cone.
Did the squirrel steal that too?
No, but it was so hot that the ice cream started to melt. It was dripping down my arm and on my shirt. It was a sticky mess.
So no cake and no ice cream. That was a very bad day for you.
Let's walk to the lake. The water is very quiet and peaceful.
Oh, look at the ducks. They are swimming in a long line. They look so happy.
I have a duck story too. One time, I wanted to take a picture of a duck. I got very close to it with my phone.
Did the duck smile for the camera?
No, the duck got very angry. It started to hiss like a snake, and then it started to chase me.
A duck was chasing you?
Yes, I was running around the lake, and the duck was running after me. People were laughing and taking videos of me. I felt like I was in a cartoon.
Adam, the duck just wanted his privacy.
I learned my lesson. I stay far away from ducks now. But look at the sky, Sarah. It is turning gray.
Oh no, I think it is going to rain.
It is starting to drizzle. Drizzle is very, very light rain.
I like the drizzle. It feels cold and fresh. But wait.
Now it is a downpour. A downpour is very heavy rain. Quick, Sarah, run to that big tree.
We are getting so wet. My hair is a mess.
Look, there are 10 other people hiding under this same tree. We are all standing together, waiting for the rain to stop.
Everyone is laughing because we all look like drowned rats. A drowned rat is someone who is very, very wet.
It's funny. 1 minute it's sunny, and the next minute we are all hiding from a storm.
The rain stopped. The sun is coming out again. Everything smells like flowers and fresh grass.
I love that smell. It is my favorite part of the day. Sarah, let's teach our listeners some nature words.
Good idea. Listeners, repeat after us.
Flowers,
Trees.
grass.
Path. A path is the small road where you walk.
Great. But look, Sarah, someone left their trash on the grass. A plastic bottle and a sandwich bag.
That makes me sad. We must always clean up after ourselves.
You are right. If you have a bottle or a bag, you must put it in the bin.
Keep the park clean is a very important rule. We want everyone to enjoy the green grass.
Let's play a small game for our listeners to help them remember the new words.
I love games. I will say a word and you say what it means, Adam.
I'm ready.
Picnic.
Eating food outside on a blanket.
Jogging.
Running slowly to stay healthy.
Squirrel.
A small animal with a fluffy tail that steals Sarah's cake.
Okay, what about drizzle?
Very light rain.
And downpour?
Very heavy rain. Great job, Sarah. And listeners, don't forget shadowing. You can listen to my duck story again and try to speak at the same time as me. It will help your English sound very natural.
The sun is going down now. The park is getting quiet. It is time for us to go home.
We had a long day. We talked about picnics, naughty puppies, cake thieves, and angry ducks.
I am still thinking about that chocolate cake. I am going to buy a new one on my way home.
Good luck, Sarah. Listeners, we have a challenge for you today.
Yes, next time you go outside, look at 3 things. Say their names in English.
You can say, that is a tree. That is a dog. That is a flower. It is a small step, but it is very powerful.
Thank you for staying with us until the end of this long episode. You are doing an amazing job.
Don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for episode 3.
Until next time, have a beautiful day and keep practicing.
And remember, keep learning and keep smiling.